Hi, this is the Ninja by Laundry Alternative. I just took some clothes out of the washing machine. A lot of it dripped out already, but they're pretty wet still. So I'm putting them in there, and all you do is put these, put a bowl or something, whatever you have, and then you turn this on. Hold on, I think I gotta put the light switch on. Hold on. There you go. Turn it on. Shakes a little bit in the beginning, but then it goes smooth sailing. Let's see how much water is coming out of there. See the water? It's a little loud, but it's not that bad. See, it's almost done. It's just dripping now. It's pretty good. It's pretty fast. I'd say they're basically done. It's got a couple of drips here and there. For me, I'm going to throw them in the dryer, so it really doesn't matter. But if you were going to line dry it in the house, then I would say let it go a little longer. But it's 1, 2, 3, it's just a couple of drips. So for me it's done. Just turn the knob. Take them out, and they're really nice. They're damp dry. I wish you could see. They're really good. Better than the washing machine spinner. These are some underwear, damp dry. So that's my take on the Ninja by the Laundry Alternative. Pretty good. Very good, actually. I would rate it at least a B. B plus, I would say. It's very good. It's a little bit noisy, but not really, because other ones are noisy. It gets off to a little bit of a slow start, bumpy start, but it goes right away. I've done it many times. It goes away, and this is what you get. You get nice, dry things. So I hope you like it. I would definitely try not to get that in there. I would definitely recommend it for, it holds a lot of clothes, and I would recommend it for people that don't have a washing machine in their home or dryer. And if you're washing baby's clothes or just need a few things washed, and you don't want to go to the laundromat, I would definitely recommend it. because it gets everything spun dry really good. And you could, like, if you get one of those things you can hang the clothes on in one of the Dollar General or someplace, Walmart. It's like a clothing rack, I think they call it. They dry really fast at home. So I recommend it. I give it a B+. Okay.